Okay, here we go. My niece Laling is making a how do you call it?
Cheese stick.
Cheese stick. And she just told me that it costs 5 peso each. It ain't funny. It's just way too expensive. This is Boo's eye. For sure, di laling, pag 5 giniling. Di, ang binakugkuan ka ng butang mo sa baso dayon.
Diba?
Ah, naman diba?
Kuripot.
Ay, na butang sa baso. Diretso natag sa kamot. Ito, ito nul. Oh my gosh. Pwede na masud anling ba?
Mag-be a wrapper.
Okay.